Room tour. We're staying at this room number 122. Let's go inside and see what does it look like. And that is the toilet, hairdryer, water heater extension, and this is how it look like. And when you first come to the hotel or this place, they give you this one, the complimentary fruits, and some toiletries over here. Nice complimentary coffee, and that's the bed. And this is how it looked like here. Yeah, and that's it. This one is just like the standard room. Alright, the next one, I'm going to do a room tour inside this 108. I'm going to bring both of my parents and to my siblings. And yeah, this is how the family room look like. And the bed is actually quite big. It can fit 2 person here. Like each of the bunk bed can fit 2 person easily. And yeah, the family room looks a lot nicer. And also have the veranda. This is how you go out. Awesome. This is how it looked like. That's the rice inside a very special Tupperware and container. Yeah. Looks nice. Oh, maksudnya dia masak di sini terus. This is how the breakfast look like here.